Okay, I've written down some statements here about resistance and resistivity, and we're just going to look at them. The first statement says the resistance of steel is 5.4 ohms at 20 degrees C. Well, this statement is clearly wrong. Why? Because different pieces of steel will have different resistances at 20 degrees C because they have different lengths and different cross-sectional areas. So we cannot make the general statement that the resistance of steel is 5.4 ohms at 20 degrees C. It would obviously depend on the shape of your piece of steel. Here's another statement. The resistance of this bolt is 5.4 ohms at 20 degrees C. Well, that statement could be true. Perhaps the resistance of this bolt is 5.4 ohms at 20 degrees C. I can therefore assume that the resistance of this one will be different because it's a different shape. So this statement is true. A better statement though is the one at the bottom here. Notice I've replaced the word resistance with resistivity. The resistance of steel at 20 degrees C is 1.4 by 10 to the minus 7 ohm meters. Now the great thing about this statement is it applies to all the steel in the universe, not just the piece I have in my hand. So all these pieces of steel, no matter what shape and size they are, will have the same resistivity at 20 degrees C.